Hi, Scorpio! So, welcome to your quick oracle reading. Currently, nandito tayo ngayon sa Brigham Park sa Baguio. So, tingnan natin, sino ba ang native for today? So, we have here Pegasus. Hingi ka ng tulong pag kailangan mo, ha? Hindi yung sinasarili mo na naman yung mga bagay-bagay. So, Scorpio, it's time that you start to be also vocal. As Pegasus is saying as well. Kasi, andoon na, there are people around you that naghihintay lang kung kailan ka magsasalita or magsasabi. Kasi alam na ng pangunahan yung nararamdaman. And doon lang siguro medyo ibaba mo na rin yung pride mo, ha? If you cannot do something, if you don't know something, might as well tell it. Maging honest ka kasi ito yung moment that mas respetuhin ka ng mga tao because you are being authentic. Alam mo yung limits mo and you are addressing. I hope nakatulong and I'll see you on our next video.